Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach measurements for 7th standard Tamil medium and English medium students. Make use of it students. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about rhombus. So definition of rhombus. In a parallelogram, already you study about that parallelogram in previous classes. In a parallelogram, if all the sides are equal, then it is called rhombus. So what is the area of rhombus? So if that given parallelogram, what is the area of rhombus? B into H square units. This is the first model. This is the second model. In a rhombus, that all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. This opposite side. And diagonal divides the rhombus into two triangles of equal area. That is, this is the diagonal. It divides and it become two triangle. The diagonal bisect each other at right angles. So this is the second model. This area of the rhombus is half into D1 into D2. D1 means diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So half into D1 into D2 square units. Next we will see the example related this. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 15 centimeter and the altitude is 10 centimeter. Here side means base. So base equal to 15 centimeter, height equal to 10 centimeter. So the area of the rhombus equal to B into H. That is base into height. That is 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter. You multiply, you get it. Area of the rhombus equal to 150 centimeter square. Next, we will see the other example. Given a flower garden is in the shape of rhombus. The length of its diagonals, that is D1 is 18 meter and D2 is 25 meter. So find the area. So given D1 equal to 18 meter and D2 equal to 25 meter. What is the formula? Area of the rhombus half into D1 into D2 square units. So half into 18 into 25, you cancel it 1, 2 is to 9 2s are 18. 9 into 25 equal to 225 meters square. Therefore, area of the flower garden equal to 225 meters square. Next, area of a rhombus also given here 150 square centimeter. One of its diagonal means D1 given. We have to find out the D2. Find the length of the other diagonal. So, given area equal to 150 square centimeter, D1 equal to 20. So, you write the area of the rhombus formula half into D1 into D2 equal to 150. Half into 20 into D2 equal to 150. 2 and 20 you cancel it, you get it 10. 10 into D2 equal to 150. D2 equal to, that is LHS goes to the right hand side. It will come divide. So 150 by 10 equal to 15 centimeter. So therefore the length of the other diagonal equal to 15 centimeter. Next example, a field is in the form of rhombus. Diagonals of the fields, that is D1 and D2 also given. We have to find out the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. First we have to find out area. So half into D1 into D2, half into 50 into 60, you cancel it and you get it 1500 square meter. So here cost of leveling per square meter is rupees 2. Here 1500 square meter, we have to find out the cost of leveling, that is 2 into 1500 equal to rupees 3000. Next, we have to find out the area of rhombus given diagonals, that is D1 and D2 given. D1 equal to 6 meter, D2 equal to 8 meter. So formula, area of the rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2 square units, that is half into 6 into 8. So multiply or cancel, no problem. 6 into 8, 48 by 2, you get it 24 square meter. Therefore area of the rhombus equal to 24 square meter. Next, here area of the rhombus given 60 square centimeter. One of the diagonal means D1 is 88 centimeter. We have to find out D2. So D1 equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find out the length of the other diagonal be D2. So first you write it the formula, half into D1 into D2 equal to 60. Half into 8 into, we have to find out D2 equal to 60. 8 into D2. So here divide, it will go to the right hand side, it will multiply. So 60 into 2, 120. This multiply will comes to that right hand side, it will come divide. So 120 by 8 equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the length of other diagonal is 15 centimeter. You read and revise area of the rhombus 2 formulas and do all the sums in video content, and after you do the homework. Thank you.